Around last month, I started going all in on my social skills. I was talking to everyone, well, it was on sight. If I saw you, it means we had to talk no matter what. White, brown, black, skinny, fat, it didn't matter. If I saw you, you were a target. As I started to frame myself as this extroverted guy though, I started to make friends in the gym. And it made it so incredibly easy to go to the gym every single day because it would just be so embarrassing and soul crushing if the people at the gym, the people I knew, were asking me why I was gone for a week. So in this video, I want to show you exactly how to do the same thing as me so you can get consistent at the gym and you can get these gains. The most important tactic that I have is to never ever take your headphones with you. And I know immediately you probably have all of these points of resistance and you have all of these reasons why you need your headphones. But you don't really need them. Like, the music is nice and all, don't get me wrong. But when you have music to listen to, here's what happens. When there's somebody who you want to talk to in between sets, you don't talk to them because you have music to listen to. You have this free sense of dopamine that you can get without putting yourself in any risk whatsoever. And your brain doesn't want to go up and talk to this person and risk getting rejected for the same level of dopamine that you're already getting constantly through listening to music. That's why you need to not wear headphones. And it's going to be difficult for the first couple of days. But I'm telling you, bro, I have never once since I started this social protocol, top link in the description, I have never once went to the gym with my headphones, simply because between sets I can literally just go up and talk to random people, and it gives me the same amount of entertainment that it gives you to listen to music, or even more, to be honest. It's the exact same thing. So why would you, for some odd reason, be in this reserved state of mind where you're just listening to music and focusing on yourself? It doesn't make sense to me. You should be talking to everyone. You should be that social guy. And also, when you are that social guy, when you get to a certain level and you implement the other tactics that I'm about to cover, you literally have a gym partner who will be cheering for you during your sets, and you won't even need music because you'll get more reps in when he's saying, come on, go, hit one more rep, one more. When he's shouting at you to do that, now you kind of have this sense of competition, so you push even further. So there's no reason to listen to music. If you do that, you're an idiot. Bro, don't bring headphones to the gym, because you're going to end up listening to music and you're going to end up not wanting to talk to people because of it. You don't need headphones. You can talk, like, if you need your phone for whatever reason, you can use your phone without headphones. There's zero reason to have them. Now that you know to never bring your headphones, so you actually do take action on the other steps that I'm going to give you, my main tip that I suggest anyone who's new to like socializing and being extroverted to do is to have an opening line. I normally preach not to overthink these things, not to think about what's the best thing to say or the first sentence I can say. It doesn't really matter. Normally you can say anything. Truly, sometimes I just go up to random people and I say, bro, what are you grateful for? Just like a random question. But if you aren't as confident yet, then here's an opening line which I suggest that is very easy to repeatedly say to people, and it doesn't really take much brain power. So the opening line is, how's your workout going? A very simple line. And normally they'll say good. If they're more talkative, they'll say it's painful, I was doing this exercise, what about you, bro? And it's a very easy way to deviate into a conversation with a gym goer. And that's what I recommend for anyone who's becoming social. And once you get to a certain level where you aren't as embarrassed to talk to people or nervous, then you can start just talking about whatever you want, and you can check the social protocol, again, link in the description. It's my course to go from level 0 social skills to level 2, where you can talk to any man at any time, anywhere, kind of the level that I'm at. So you can check that out, or you can check the other 3 videos on this channel. And that's how you can start to deviate from the small talk that I'm teaching you to do with your fellow gym goers and trying to make friends with them, to just being good at talking in general. The third tip that I recommend is, whilst you're talking to somebody, they'll normally, well, obviously be doing exercises or at the gym. So whilst you're in this situation where they need to stop talking to you for a second to continue their set, you can simply just ask them, "You mind if I root you on?" Most times, 9 times out of 10, they'll say, "Yeah, it's fine." So during their set, you can root for them. You can say, "Come on, one more rep, you can do it, push on, come on, do it." And then it kind of gets him into this competitive spirit where he wants to push more, because it's like, well, someone is watching me now, I can't just fail this. And that's what actually happens when you cheer for somebody. It makes the set so much more fun, and it makes you push so much more harder. So now he's done better with the set because of you. You, with your words and your enthusiasm, have helped him make more progress in the gym. And now he's probably going to enjoy your company more. You literally went out of your way to talk to him, help him do more reps on his set, make more progress, probably build a little bit more muscle because he went to true failure this time. And now, just because you said stuff to him, he's going to gain all of that progress, and he's probably going to like you more, generally. And now you can also ask him to watch over your set, and it'll be this kind of wholesome competitive spirit thing where you both try and push as hard as possible. And you see how that can easily deviate into a level of friendship where you both become gym partners and pushing each other and rooting for each other. And that's what I really want for you, because at least in the gym, I think having a gym partner is a very enthusiastic thing to have that pushes you a lot further than if you were just alone with your headphones in, focusing on yourself, king, because it's just gay shit. Now, when you're done from the gym, and maybe this guy or maybe the multiple guys who you were talking to are telling their workout, or vice versa, before they go or before you go, you can literally just say, "Oh, by the way, it was nice talking to you. Would you like to hit a workout sometime?" And if they say yeah, then you can get their phone number and schedule some day to do a group workout together, where maybe you give them your workout schedule and they join you, and it'll be this fun competitive spirit thing, and you'll also be doing the same workout, so you can compare with each other who's doing more reps and more weight. And that's how you get a gym partner and potentially a lifelong friend. Now, getting the phone number thing, I haven't actually asked that, and what I mean is, for all of the other steps, I'm talking from experience, but I don't really ask for phone numbers in the gym, simply because everyone I talk to there is older than me. So I'm 15 and I'm talking to people who are 20 years old, 25 years old, and I think it would be a little strange if my entire friend group consisted of 25-year-old gym goers when I was 15 and I've only been going recently. So I can't clarify 100% if this works, but I believe if you go respectfully and you're kind and you both have this chemistry with each other where you're edging for each other to push forward with your reps, I don't think there's really a possibility that they end up screaming at you, "No, I'll never give you my number. Screw you, how dare you ask?" I just don't think that's gonna happen. There's no way everything else I said works and then immediately they scream at you for asking for a number. So I'm saying this out of logic, but I think if you ask for a number and maybe invite them out for coffee or a group workout, I don't think they'll be that upset. In fact, I think they'll be very happy that you invited them to something, because truthfully, most people just want friends. Most people can't actually talk to others and strangers like me and maybe you can, and it just kind of makes them lonely. So when you, as this social guy, come up to them and invite them into this fun activity, it just kind of makes their day brighten up. And I think that's a brilliant thing that you can do for people. I hope this video helps you. I hope you try these tips next time you're going to the gym. And social protocol, link in the description. Get from level 0 to level 2. And remember, Consistency is over a lifetime. Bye bye.